to Angelo's Adventures. Guys, we're gonna do this Sesame Street toy with my dad, and it's gonna be really fun. And this is what it looks like in the back. This is on what's included, and this is what it looks like right here with the book. This is what it looks like, guys. So first we have this part. Let me skip. Man, where is this part? Right here. And this is when they went to the doctors. And this is when the cookie jar went to the city. And actually, right here was when Emma's parents were there. And in the end, they're fun collectible stickers, and who likes stickers?
Yeah.
I say hi to Mr. Koala, and he's saying hi to you. Hi, Mr. Guy. I'm right here. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel because we have a little bit of subscribers, so we can go to the YouTube party. Yay! This is what we need to make the calm jar with our items. Glycerin, glitter, dye, soap, container, water. We need 3 ounces of glycerin and 9 ounces of water. We're gonna put glycerin in the water so we can make 12 ounces. We have the water and glycerin, and it's time to mix it up. I'm doing the shaker blend. It's mixed it up well. I'm making a special recipe with this, but it's just Elmo, so we're gonna pour it inside that little empty cup later. Mixing it well. Oopsie daisy. Yes. It's time, guys, to pour the water. Looks like you were draining the whole water away from the ocean. Look. That's it. Now we're gonna add the glitter. So I think I want to choose the stars. That's it? A little bit more, or that's it? I think that's it. A little bit more, I think. Okay. Then we're gonna use blue. We're gonna use red. I'm gonna add some stars. Let me get this stuff. I'm pitching it just like the Mexican people do it. That's it, or a little bit more. Let's see. That's it? Oh no, I think that's it, guys. Now we're gonna add 2 drops of soap. 1, 2. That's it. Time to shake it up. Now it's time to mix it. We're gonna use 1 drop of dye. That's it. Oh, looks smoky. Oh, this looks amazing. Look at this, guys. Guys, it looks like if everyone was like looking cool. It looks super cool, dude. We're gonna use a different color. Oh man, it looks good. Oh my gosh, it looks like if there was a hole. It looks super cool. Like it looks super like it's like everyone looks cool. I think it's looking cool. Now we're gonna use our 3rd color. Man, look! Does this look cool? It looks like it everyone looked yellowish and blue. Oh my god. Now we're gonna cover this up. Look guys, look at this one. Oh my goodness. And now we're gonna mix it again. Oh yeah. Okay, oh yeah. This is our final result. You guys have fun with my videos. Please like and subscribe.